Welcome! In front of me I have HAYLOU Solar Plus, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and after you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called the show, and once you find it, tap on it, and here find the option called screen timeout duration, and tap on it. And here we have the list of durations. We have 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15, 20, 25, and 30 seconds. So select the option you like, for example 15 seconds, and then you can press the upper button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And now my screen should turn off automatically after 15 seconds of inactivity. So if I want to touch the screen on my watch or the buttons, the screen should turn off after 15 seconds. And it should be right around now. Yeah, like this. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.